no light. Oh.
Or here, this room.
Uh-huh.
And this, here's the bathroom.
Wow, big.
And a little tiny
What's that?
little tiny toilet.
Oh, little tiny toilet.
And a closet.
And a big closet.
Is this your room?
No.
Oh, okay. There's a bathtub. Where are we going next? Oh, what is this?
The office.
Office. Okay. Do you play the piano? Do you know how to do that? To use that? What do you call this? Living room.
Family TV.
Family TV room.
And
This is your room?
Yeah.
This is your room?
no.
Oh, which one?
This is your mom's room.
Okay.
This
This is your room?
No. Why you keep thinking that everything is?
You can fit in there.
and this is the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom. Okay.
Bye. I'll see you later.
Uh-huh.
There's the bathroom.
Another bathroom?
Yes.
This is your room. Where's the light?
Open up.
Wow, it's so huge.
It's huge.
You can fit everything in here.
My long closet.
Wow, you have your own closet.
So Loli's going to move here.
Really? So you'll be sharing?
And your mom's room.
Okay, you'll be sharing a room with Lolly.
Let's go.
Did you go inside there na already?
Thank you.
This
Hmm?
is Sophie's room
Mm-hmm. Asan si Sophie?
in Hawaii.
Mm.
They celebrate there in what they call them in New Year.
Maakit siya, oh.
Yeah, because that is her room. And this is my room.
Okay.
It's a little bit small, but it's nice, cozy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Morning, it's 7 o'clock here and we're just waiting for the bus ride. Say hi, Alicia. Hi! The bus is actually 20 minutes late. It's so cold. Bus ride is here. Oh, the bus is late. Akala ko iiwan siya eh. Nag-U-turn lang pala. Epic fail, guys. So, nagkamali ng bus. Hindi raw pala bus. Hindi raw pala yun yung bus niya. Ah! Pasok ulit kayo sa loob. Goodbye, Ali.
Bye.
Bye. I don't wanna go out because sobrang lamig sa labas. Hindi kaya ng aking tenga.
Which one do you like?
Saan? Nasaan?
Yung kay Ali?
Tuwalya raw. So we are fixing the room. Hey y'all. Char. So this is going to be my closet. And this was originally mom's room. So lumipat siya dun sa pamangkin ko kay Alicia. And this will be my temporary room. Yan, so walang laman. Lagyan na natin ang gamit. Etong table, ito yung parang ginagawa ko munang office for a while. I wanted to put it, I want to rearrange everything. This one, I wanted to put it there. Tapos yung mirror, parang gusto kong ilagay dito sa gilid. The mirror makes the room more bigger. Good girl.
Yung
Good
mga
girl.
bata.
Mm.
Yeah. Yung bata.
Woof, woof, woof. I'm gonna take videos of you. I got you. Show your face.
Sa Hawaii, baka nawala po yung maso. Makapungit lang.
Okay, going out. First time going out today. Drive ko. Heading to Walmart. Bye. Good morning. January 8th, 2022. I'm getting fat, guys. Oh, laki na ng tiyan natin. Come. Huh? We are getting food. Yeah, you'll use it. Takot eh. Paper.
Don't let me smell your socks and feet.
What did
No! No!
WrestleMania?
No, please!
Hey guys, I started studying to get a Google Ad display certification. Ayan, so online lang naman to. You can just check it out on Skillshop. And then, yan, may mga topics that you can study. And then after this course, kasi